Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to fix blocked extensions on your school Chromebook in a safe way. Sometimes schools restrict certain Chrome extensions, and unfortunately, you can't override those settings yourself. However, there are a couple of things you can try. First, make sure you're signed in with the correct school account, since some extensions only work if you're logged into the right profile. Next, check the Chrome Web Store to see if the extension is allowed under your school's policies. If it isn't, you'll need to reach out to your school's tech administrator and request that they enable it. Often, teachers or administrators can approve extensions if they're educational or necessary for your work. Finally, if the extension is blocked permanently, look for official alternatives in the Chrome Web Store that are already approved. This way, you stay within school rules but still get the functionality you need. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.